Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome again to second part of the fractions. In first part, we discussed about different type of fractions. Just repeat the whole fraction before starting today's lesson. First one is like fraction. That means its denominators are same. For example, 4 by 5, 6 by 5, etc. Second one is unlike fraction. That means denominators are different and numerators are same. For example, 3 by 8, 3 by 5, etc. Third one is proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3 by 7, 2 by 10. Fourth one, improper fraction. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Example, 11 by 5, 9 by 4, 8 by 3 and 4 by 4. Fifth one, mixed fraction. That means a fraction with whole number. 2, 1 by 5, 6, 2 by 4, 8, 4 by 6. Last one, equivalent fraction. Fraction obtained by multiplying both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number are known as equivalent fractions. 3 by 5 is equal to 9 by 15. 9 by 15 is equal to 12 by 20. 12 by 20 is equal to 21 by 35. Here we multiplied first with 3. 5 into 3 are 15. Second one we multiplied by 4. 3 into 4 are 12. 5 into 4 are 20. Third one we multiplied with 7. 3 into 7 is equal to 21. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Okay. Now we know the basic information of all type of fractions. In your higher classes, you will learn more about all type of fractions. This year, we will learn like fraction in detail. Okay, which are how to compare two or more like fraction, addition of like fraction and subtraction of like fraction. What is like fraction? Like fraction means its denominators are same. Let us move to today's topic. First, comparison of fraction. Comparison of like fraction. Look at this fraction 4 by 5 and 6 by 5. Take your notebook and write heading comparison of fraction. Comparison of fraction. Write first question. Compare 4 by 5 and 6 by 5. In this example, which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller? 4 by 5 and 6 by 5. How to compare these fractions? Listen carefully. Like fraction comparison is very easy. Check the numerators of these two fractions. First one is 4, second one is 6. The formula of comparison of like fraction, when compare the fraction, the greater numerator is the greatest fraction and smaller numerator is the smallest fraction. Hence, we can say 4 by 5 is less than 6 by 5 or 6 by 5 is greater than 4 by 5. Okay. Write down second question. Compare 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Which is larger? Which is bigger? Compare like fraction. Larger numerator is biggest fraction. Okay. So 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Now let us arrange some like fraction in ascending and descending order. Write the question. Arrange in ascending order. 6 by 9, 4 by 9, 7 by 9, 5 by 9, 3 by 9 and 2 by 9. Ascending order means smallest number to greatest number. So arrange these 6 fractions in ascending order. In this given set of fraction, which is smallest one? In like fraction, our formula is smallest numerator is smallest fraction. So write 2 by 9. So write 2 by 9, then 3 by 9, then 4 by 9, then 5 by 9, then 6 by 9 and 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is the greatest fraction and 2 by 9 is the smallest fraction. Okay, write down the answer. Let us arrange fraction in descending order. Write question. Arrange in descending order. 8 by 12, 3 by 12, 6 by 12, 11 by 12, 5 by 12, 9 by 12. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. Remember our formula? Greatest numerator is greatest fraction. Look the fraction and find out the greatest numerator. Yes, 11 by 12, 9 by 12, 8 by 12, then 6 by 12, then 5 by 12, last one 3 by 12. Okay. Write down the answer. Next topic is addition of like fraction. Write heading addition of like fraction. Now let us learn addition of like fraction. Write one example. 5 by 6, 3 plus 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6. How do you add this fraction? Addition of like fraction, we simply add the numerators only. That means 5 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 9. Don't add the denominators. Just add numerators only. Our answer 5 by 6 plus 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 9 by 6. Okay. Write one more question. Find the sum of the fractions 12 by 15 plus 9 by 15 plus 4 by 15 plus 5 by 15 plus 2 by 15. How to find the sum? Yes, just add the numerators only. So 12 by 9 is equal to 21. 21 plus 4 is equal to 25. 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. So our answer 12 by 15 plus 9 by 15 plus 4 by 15 plus 5 by 15 plus 2 by 15 is equal to 32 by 15. Next topic, subtraction of like fraction. Write heading subtraction of like fraction. Write down the first question. Find the difference of 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. The same step you have to follow here. In like fraction, subtract numerator only. Don't subtract the denominator. So our answer 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. You can simplify this fraction 2 by 4 with the common multiples of numerator and denominator. The common multiples of 2 and 4 is equal to 2. So divide 2 with the numerator and denominator. How many 2's in 4? 2 times. So you can write 2 instead of 4 in denominator side. Then how many 2's in 2? 1. So write 1 as a numerator instead of 2. Our final answer 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Let us find some subtraction problems. Write down 9 by 15 minus 6 by 15, 19 by 29 minus 13 by 29, 12 minus 19 by 8 by 19, 21 by 24 minus 11 by 24. I will give you 40 seconds. You will find the difference yourself. Okay, listen here. All of you complete your task. Okay. Check your answer. 9 by 15 minus 6 by 15 is equal to 5 by 15. 19 by 29 minus 13 by 29 is equal to 6 by 29. 12 by 19 minus 8 by 19 is equal to 4 by 19. 21 by 24 minus 11 by 24 is equal to 10 by 24. Check your answer. Okay. You can simplify the answer first one and last one. That is 5 by 15 and 10 by 24. How to simplify the fractions? Yes, divide with common multiples. First one 5 by 15. We can write 1 by 3. Common multiples is 5. How many 5s in 15? 3. How many 5s in 5? 1. So we can write 1 by 3 instead of 5 by 15. Second one 10 by 24. Common multiple is 2. So how many 2s in 24? 12 times. How many 2s in 10? 5 times. So we can write 10 minus 24 is equal to 5 by 12. Okay. Today's class ends here. Please note your homework. Page number 72. Let's begin. Fill in the blanks by writing the shaded part of the figure. First one is triangle. Half of the portion is shaded. What is the fraction? Write down your answer. B. Circle. Part of the circle shaded. How many parts total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 2 part shaded. Write the fraction of shaded part. Second question. 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. Write the numerators and denominators of the following fraction. First one 5 by 6, second one 7 by 9. Which is the numerator, which is the denominator? Third question, shade the given fraction 3 by 6. First one 6 squares, shade 3 of 6. Next B, 6 by 8, shade 6 parts. 3 by 4, shade 3. Next D, 7 by 12, shade 7 parts. Okay. Turn your page. Page number 75. Mental maths. Take the equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. Take 6 by 14 and 12 by 28. Take 6 by 14 and 12 by 28 because these fraction multiplied with 2 and 4. Then exercise number 1.1. Observe the shaded figures and write equivalent fraction. One has been done for you. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Second one B. 1 by 2, half of the circle, is equal to 4 by 8. 4 part shaded, 4 part unshaded. Total 8 parts. So we can write 4 by 8. Next one 1 by 3. Equivalent fraction 2 by 6. Next D. 3 by 4. Equivalent fraction 6 by 8. Turn your page. Question number 2. Write 5 equivalent fractions of the following. How to form equivalent fraction? Yes, multiply numerator and denominator with same number. Next, fill in the blanks A to E. First one 1 by 3 is equal to dash by 18. That is equivalent fraction. 18 came 3 into 9. So multiply the numerator with 3. So 3 by 18. Second one 2 by 5 is equal to dash by 25. 25 came from 5 into 5. So multiply the numerator with 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Answer is 10 by 25. That is all for today. Complete your all homework and send it to school WhatsApp number. Thank you.